Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save your designs with Figma detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Figma and ensure your design file is ready. Locate the top menu bar and find the File option. Click on File to reveal the drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Save a Copy. A dialog box will appear prompting you to choose the location where you want to save the copy. Select your desired location on your computer or cloud storage. Click Save to confirm the choice. To save your progress regularly, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. If you want to export specific assets, select the layers or frames you wish to export. In the right-hand sidebar, scroll down to the Export section. Click the plus icon to add an export setting for your selection. Choose the desired format, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF. Adjust any export settings such as scale or inclusion of backgrounds. Click the Export button to save the assets to your chosen location. For team collaboration, ensure your design file is saved to a project in Figma's cloud. To share with team members, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Adjust the sharing settings to allow necessary permissions. Enter the email addresses of the collaborators you want to invite. Click Send Invite to share the design file with your team. Remember to check for any unsaved changes before exiting the application. Regularly back up your work by creating copies or exporting crucial files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.